Hey friends, this is Vishwajit once again welcomes you in another episode of SMARTDrive. In this episode, we will discuss about the door open warning in the dashboard as well as the sound notification by the car. So let's have different scenarios one by one. Now I will try to push hard. Door is closed completely. Now slide 1, door is still open. And now I will purposefully keep it open and will try to drive with the open door. Now we are in the first gear. There it is. So we do have a notification by an audio signal. A strange thing found by me is like whenever you are not discontinuing to drive, that is switching off your car, till then you don't have any another audio notification. You need to shut down the car completely, that is switch off and switch on. Then we can have audio notification while the next driving, that is tire is slightly moving. Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from SMARTDrive.